All right, guys, I'm back on this tree removal. First step is to walk around with the pinchers and pick up all the loose twigs that I can find. Reason being, I'll just show you here. Okay, and pretty much that may puncture a tire. That might, this definitely will. So first order of business, to go around, pick them up. I got bricks to make my circle around that. I just got to go get some labor now, go get some help. So I'll get back with you. I guess we're going to see what happens. All right, got her going, and I got it stoked. I think that's the word you call it. I'm going to roll that other log over a little bit. But yeah, we're going to let this go all night. I brought the hose out just in case, but everything's still pretty green, and I've got a wire screen that I can put over it. So yeah, we're just going to see what this does. Yep, pretty normal. If you're wondering where the small stuff's coming from, I'm just breaking these dead branches off. Just like that. Well, it's good to see it's actually burning up under there. Looking pretty good. Well, it's almost 10 p.m. here. I accidentally threw a sort of semi-green twig in there, and it's thrown a few sparks. So I'm waiting for it to burn up, and then once it does, I'm going to wet the yard on the east side, because we got maybe a 3 or 4 mile an hour wind blowing on the west side. And I took and moved all the logs to that side so that they'll heat up. But as soon as that branch is done, it'll probably be tomorrow. I'll come out here and do a walk around, see what the carnage is. And I'll see you in the morning. Morning all. Larry BL, and this is the next day, so let's go see. Boy, it's going to be another hot one. Well, it didn't get it all, but it's getting there. Looks like it's too hot to do anything with right now, so we're just going to let it. It's still smoldering. We'll let it smolder, and maybe this evening I'll get out here with the pole saw again and chop it up a little bit and pick up some more wood. Clean out what's in there and give it another burn. Let's see what happens.